Meaning of fourfold.
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 Fourfold. Fourfold means 4 times as great or as many. For instance, if you increase something fourfold, it means that you have increased it by a factor of 4. The result of a fourfold increase can be significant and impactful. It can result in exponential growth or an increase in magnitude that is not easy to comprehend. On the other hand, a decrease of fourfold would indicate a significant decline or reduction. In summary, fourfold denotes a multiplication of the original quantity by 4, which can lead to significant changes in various contexts.